Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's trade breakdown. So the last couple weeks, hold on a second. Actually, last couple weeks here. Let's look at the daily chart. They've just the bodies are laying over each other. We're not really going anywhere. We're going kind of sideways as we're working through some of these bigger inefficiencies over here. So I've been saying for a while, ever since we came back up into here, I'm wanting these lows to come getting taken out. Finally came down, poked them. So now that we've done this, there's two things we could do. We could use this as all the liquidity we need to come up and run these highs. Maybe even get some of these highs. There's a lot of smooth highs up here. A lot of sell stops on these highs, a lot of orders. So the market's going to want to eventually seek those out. Now, are we done going lower? I am not sure yet. I'm kind of waiting for a little more information before I really get too crazy saying we're going anywhere. But today, the end of today, I mean, this looks pretty bearish to me. We couldn't even come up and get into this inefficiency here. We couldn't even get to the 0.75 of this daily wick right here, and we're ending the day on a low. Coming down like this. This looks like a bearish candle to me from up here, balancing out this price action, and then closing like this. So we'll see what we do in Asia, and see what we're working with tomorrow morning. But yeah, this has been a few weeks of pretty frustrating trading. A lot of break-even trades that, I mean, I've probably seen a little less than 1,000 points worth of where the profits that just came all the way back to break even on me these last few weeks. But that's okay. It's just part of it. When we're in these consolidation kind of phases, you gotta adapt how you're trading a little bit, and I just haven't been very sharp with taking profits where I need to, so just working on that a little bit. Let's go ahead and get into today's trade. Hold on. So yeah, like I said, going into this morning, I was wanting these lows taken out right here. These, actually over here. These Asia and London lows here. There's a lot of buy stops under here. This is seen as support in most traders' eyes. This looks like support, so we're gonna come down and take out this liquidity. If we're gonna make a move higher, we're gonna come take it out to do that. Now let's say we come down here and we just start having big down close candles here on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, creating some inefficiencies. That's very bearish to me. I'm gonna be looking for lower prices into these lows here. Come fill in some of these inefficiencies. I mean, there's a lot of things that could happen at any moment that could send price. They can send price down into these levels. So just prepared for that. But I mean, at first, it does. We easily come up and take these smooth highs before it moves lower. So we're just gonna wait for a little more information here. But yeah, so I was using this 4 hour SIBI here as kind of just a gauge of what we were doing, and let's look a little closer at that here. So open up, have a couple smooth highs here, come up here, couldn't even quite get to this quadrant level. I'll show you something here that I use with Asia range quite often. That I like to use quite a bit. But come up in here, don't spend a whole lot of time out of it, come back down, start working into it. Let me start working into this hourly one here, use that to go higher. So I was short here, actually. Let's take a look. Short 29,070, stop loss 29,122, and take profit down at those lows. So I'm getting in as soon as we close out of this first percent fair value gap here. I'm getting in on this candle. When we come back up into it, just poke me. I get in the trade, just sit through. I was up, I think, like 195 right here, or 197, 197 handles. So that's a good trade. But like I said, I was wanting these lows for either move higher or to end up keep going lower. But these, we have this new week opening gap here and these lows. That's sucking price. That's sucking price right to it. It's vacuuming it in, so I'm sure we'll hit those. I mean, we're on our way there right now. Just a little off time. But this right here is what turned me around to come up, fill this bounce price range, because that's what this is. It's a 5-minute bounce price range. So we come down in here, hit midpoint of this consequent crest from this opening range gap, regular trading hours. So it's the gap between regular trading hours and electronic trading hours. So come down here, tap midnight open, come back down into the lower, underneath of this midnight open. Respect it here, tap it one more time, order block. What time is it? 11 o'clock macro, highs, balance price range. Right to it. That's a great trade. If I'm sitting here babysitting price, that's a bread and butter trade. Should have got out down here. It was 11 o'clock and price told me doing this by doing this. So we're coming into the macro, we come down to a key level, 2 key levels. We take out some liquidity, we take out some lows. Then we kind of hang around, and it's like once we get to that point where it's ready to turn around, you see it turns on. The mechanism that's delivering price into these highs and this liquidity, it's like it turns on. Like you just kind of see the candlesticks start printing a little faster, like they're fluctuating faster. It's kind of an experience thing, but it's beautiful, and that's what we had here. Came in here and take it out, and then just utilize this first pin fair value gap again. Come back down into here. I'm sure we're gonna work into these, possibly take out these lows here, and then we'll see what we do after that. I'm curious to see what happens the next couple days. So yeah, I don't think I have a lot else for you. So yeah, I mentioned too also I was wanting to see this. The fact we didn't get into this daily SIBI here is bearish to me, very bearish to me. And yeah, even as we're closing out the day here, it's looking extremely bearish. So we'll see. I think that's all I got. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.